Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of graphic card Radeon RX 6500 XT equal 4G and then hit enter. And then click on product and just click on it. It will take some time depend about your internet speed. And then click on support and select operating system Windows 7, 10, 11 all operating system installations process the AMD driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. After that, click on three dot and click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system. Then